a lecturer from Polytechnic Sultan Azan Shah. Today, we are going to conduct the practical task titled Conduct Automotive Battery Test, Servicing, Maintenance and Jump Start Procedure. The CLO that will be achieved from this task are: first, proceed with troubleshooting method of automotive system. Second, follow skill for servicing automotive system. Third, demonstrate the ability to work as an individual and as a team to complete assigned tasks. At the end of the session, students will be able to execute voltage measurement using a multimeter. Second, execute high discharge rate test using high discharge rate tester. Third, fasten battery terminal to top. Fourth, correct electrolyte level. Fifth, execute correct procedure for battery charging using a battery charger. Sixth, connect jump start cable for weak battery to fully charged battery. Before that, I want to show you a short video about the automotive battery.
Lead-acid batteries are mainly used in motor vehicles to provide the electrical energy necessary for the car until the alternator starts producing electric current. The battery stores electrical energy in the form of chemical energy. The battery consists of a plastic casing and battery cells. Within these cells, positive and negative plates alternate and form a cone-like structure. Each cell produces 2 volts, but by connecting multiple cells in a series, a higher voltage power source can be created. A lead-acid battery has a charge-discharge efficiency of 60 to 70%. In the lead-acid battery, there are 2 electrodes within a cell immersed in a solution of water and sulfuric acid. When the battery is fully charged, these 2 electrodes are a positively charged lead dioxide plate and a negatively charged lead plate. The electrolyte in the battery is the sulfuric acid solution. When an electric load is connected between the electrodes, electrons start flowing through the circuit. That is, the battery discharges. Charging occurs when an electric current is applied to the battery. When the battery discharges, both lead and lead dioxide react with sulfuric acid to produce lead sulfate. As more water is produced during this reaction, the sulfuric acid solution becomes diluted. This process is reversed when the battery is charged. Lead dioxide forms on the positive electrode, the cathode, and lead forms on the negative electrode, the anode. Water molecules break up, and sulfuric acid is formed. Thus, the electrolyte becomes more concentrated. These processes occur during each charge cycle. When the battery discharges, the direction of the current is opposite to the direction when the battery is charging. During discharge, the lead plate, the anode, releases lead ions, and 2 electrons are formed. The lead ions react with the sulfuric acid to produce lead sulfate. When the circuit is closed, electrons start flowing from the lead plate, the anode, to the lead dioxide plate, the cathode, through an electrical load connected to the battery. During discharge, the lead dioxide on the lead dioxide plate also reacts with the sulfuric acid to form lead sulfate. During the process, the oxygen ion in the lead dioxide and the hydrogen ions in the electrolyte combine to form water. A lead-acid battery is continuously charged and discharged. When it is connected to an electrical load that requires electricity, for example, the starter in a car, current starts flowing from the battery. When no load is connected to the battery while driving, the alternator charges the battery. This process of discharge and charge means that energy can be discharged and restored again and again.
From the video, we know that an automotive battery has 3 main functions, which are supply current to the vehicle electrical system, store and receive current supply from the charging system, and stabilize voltage for the entire vehicle electrical system. The battery consists of several parts such as a battery case, terminals, fans, separator, plates, and electrolyte. The main part is the battery case. The battery case holds battery components and electrolytes. It is made from plastic. The separator separates every cell in the case. The amount of separator is dependent on the battery voltage. For example, 12-volt batteries have 6 separators, which means every cell is 2 volt. Next is vent caps. When the battery is charged, the vent caps release hydrogen gases produced due to the chemical reaction in the battery. Beside the vent caps, the battery also consists of the terminal. Terminals function as a source to supply electricity. It is made from plumber. The positive terminal is marked by positive sign or red cable. In comparison, the negative terminal is marked negative sign or black or green cable. The positive terminal is bigger than the negative terminal. Next is the plate. Positive plates are made from plumber peroxide, while negative plates are made from plumber. Both plates react with the electrolyte to produce electricity. In every battery cell, the negative plates have extra one plate compared to positive plates. Battery ability depends on the amount of plates, plate size, and electrolyte density. Other than plate is the separator. The separator is made from paper and plastic mixture. It is placed between the positive and negative plates so that they will not be attached. Lastly is electrolyte. Consists of a solution of about 35% sulfuric acid and 65% distilled water. It reacts with plumber plates to produce electricity. The apparatus, materials, tool, equipment need for this task are combination of spanner set, screwdriver set, multimeter, battery charger, load tester, distilled water, jumper cable, and automotive battery 12 volt. Remember, always follow the safety precautions before performing this task. First, understand the safety procedure specified by the lecturer. Second, always aware any machine or tool used in the practical task. Third, perform your task in an organized manner as this can minimize the risk of accidents occur. Fourth, read and follow the experimental method and check with the lecturer if any problem occurs. Fifth, if electrolyte contact to the exposed body parts, wash with a lot of clean water. If contact with ice, rinse with a lot of clean water and get medical attention immediately. 6. Never charge a battery in a vehicle using the battery charger.